down forever. It's going down to the left, it's going down to the right. So technically, on the y-axis, all right, it's going down to negative infinity. So this is going down to negative infinity, this is going up. All right, since it stops, it technically doesn't go up forever, but it does go down forever, so this is known as negative infinity. Okay, so this goes from negative infinity up to 3. The domain is from negative infinity to positive infinity. Finally, the line. All right, line's pretty simple. If you have a straight line, it's going down forever, it's going up forever. All right, and it's expanding outward forever. So the domain is negative infinity, all right, because it's expanding out forever. So it's going out this way forever. And to positive infinity, the range is negative infinity to positive infinity, right? Because it's going up and down forever. So since it's going up and down forever and left and right for forever, the domain and range are both going to be negative infinity to positive infinity. So right now, stop the video, see if you can name these two. Okay. Let's look at this one. All right, so this one looks like it's going down forever. This one's going up forever, and essentially it's going left and right forever. So just like the line, domain, negative infinity to positive infinity, range, negative infinity to positive infinity. Okay. Now this one, like the parabola before, okay, except for this one goes upwards. So this is going on forever up. This is going on forever upwards. The lowest point it can go is negative 10. So the range is from negative 10 to positive infinity. Domain, it's going up and to the right forever. This is going up and to the left forever. So technically, it's inclusive of all the x values. So it goes from negative infinity to positive infinity. Oop, my bad. So domain, all right, this is going up forever to the right. This one's going up to forever to the right. This one's going up and forever to the left. So it expands all the way from left and right. So it includes all the domain. And since it goes from negative 10 to infinity upwards, it goes from negative 10 to infinity. Finally, function notation. All right, function notation. All right. Most of you guys are used to seeing something like this. Y equals something. Okay? Y equals something. All right, something like 3x plus 1. Well, function notation tells you, okay, so function notation tells you that y actually also equals f of x, okay? Y is the same thing as saying f of x, and f of x is the same thing as saying y, okay? So when I write something like f of x equals 4x plus 3, write something like f of x equals 4x plus 3, what I actually mean is that y equals 4x plus 3. Now the reason why we put f of x is to state that it's a function. Most functions, actually every function, is going to be y equals something. Alright, every function should look like, or should be changed into y equals something. That's the only way we can make it a function. So f of x equals x plus 3. Now, sometimes you have something that looks like this, f of 1. Okay, so f of 1. Notice, what's the difference between this and this? If you said that this one has an x and this one has a 1, you'd be right. So essentially what you're trying to do is you're replacing all your x's with 1's. So when it says something like this is what you do. You have 4x plus 3 right here. Alright, since it says replace all your x's with 1, So exactly what we're going to do. We're going to take this 4x, we're going to replace the x with 1, and we're going to add 3 to it. Alright, that gives us 4 plus 3, which equals 7. So, f of 1, if it's f of x equals 4x plus 3, f of 1 would equal 7. Okay? That's essentially all you're doing for these next ones. F of 3, alright, if you have f of x equals 7x squared minus 3x plus 1, f of 3 means take all your x's and replace 3 with them. Same thing with f of 6. So you guys try these out and then play the video again when done. Alright, so we have f of 3. So let's plug this in. So you have 7x squared. Alright, my x is now 3. So it's 7 times 3 squared minus 3 times 3 plus 1. Okay? So that is, since 3, so it'd be 7 times 9, because 3 squared is 9, minus 9 plus 1. This is 63 minus 9 plus 1. 63 minus 9 is 54. All right, plus 1 equals 55. So, f of 3, when plugged into this, should equal 55. Finally, f of 6. F of 6. So we're looking at f of 6. So you have 6 squared minus 3 times 6 plus 1. So 6 squared is 36 times 7 minus 18. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1. 7 times 36, I think, is 252 minus 18 plus 1. This becomes 234 plus 1, which equals 235. Okay? I know it's a little bit confusing, but when you come to class, if you don't understand it, just let me know. All right, thank you.